I asked ChatGPT to write a batch file. Here's the prompt I supplied. Can you write a batch file that will enter a new podcast entry, period, space, thanks for listening, period. When I enter the keyboard shortcuts, Alt and P, below is the reply I received. Creating a batch file that listens for keyboard shortcuts and performs actions like this is not straightforward using a standard batch scripting alone. Batch files are not designed to handle keyboard shortcuts in real time. You would typically need to use a more advanced scripting or programming language to achieve this functionality. One such language is AutoHotkey. AutoHotkey allows you to create custom scripts to automate various tasks, including defining keyboard shortcuts and simulating keyboard input. Here's how you can create an AutoHotkey script to accomplish your task. Download and install AutoHotkey from the official website, and the site is listed. Once installed, create a new text file with the extension .ahk, and as an example, the file should be podcast.ahk. Edit podcast.ahk using a text editor like Notepad, which is what I used, and add the following code. And you can see that code that it told me to insert into that text file. This code listens for the Alt key combined with the P key and sends the specified text when the shortcut is triggered. Save the script and run it by double-clicking the AHK file. You'll see an AutoHotkey icon in your system tray indicating that the script is active, and this is what it looks like. There's the AutoHotkey icon indicating that it's running. Now, whenever you press Alt and P, the script will simulate typing a new podcast entry, thanks for listening, as if you had typed it manually. Remember that you can also customize the script to use different keyboard shortcuts or send different text as needed. I followed the instructions, and I'll now press the Alt and the P key and let you watch the results. So here goes, the Alt key and the P key. And that's it. Mission accomplished. Thank you, ChatGPT. I don't know how to program, but this made that little task very simple and gives me the encouragement to try some more of this. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helped. And thanks for watching and listening.